In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get Heretic Sutra in Deepwoken. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Sutra is a common talent available for heretics. So, Heretic's Sutra, the common talent, is a chant that steers you into the state of insanity for 20 seconds. So, as you can see, the description is as follows. This will give a burst of insanity to yourself. This activates the following effects. You start benefiting from talents that require insanity to use. For example, lose your mind. Talents that need you to be losing sanity to proc are passively activated for 15 seconds, namely Shared Misery and Pursing Wheel. So, as you can see, the actual requirements for you to get this are going to be 80 willpower, have had tier 1 insanity, so shivering, and talking to Kasen, located in layer 2, floor 1. And as long as you meet these prerequisites, you will be able to get it as a common talent available for heretics. So just make sure that you get all of these and you will be able to undergo all of these effects. As long as you meet the requirements of 80 willpower and tier 1 insanity, known as shivering, you will be able to go over to Kazan and talk to them in layer 2, floor 1 to acquire this common talent. You will be able to use it to proc abilities related to insanity, and this should be active for a little while after you use this. Heretics also have other talents included, so for example, all the dead gods, and you will be able to get Heretic's Sutra to use this chant that steers you into the state of insanity by doing these steps. It is unlocked, it is going to be activated whenever you choose to do so. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a Heretic Sutra in Deepwoken. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.